Hi friends, today we are going to see how easily we are going to apply cinematic look. You need one raw footage and a cinematic PNG bar for achieve this effect. First import the cinematic bar and then the footage inside the Premiere Pro. Create new sequence. In sequence, select HDV 720p 25 frames per second. At first we have to drag the footage inside the timeline and trim the footage according to your need. And once again we have to drag the cinematic PNG black bar inside the timeline and scale its size that matches to our comp size. Select the footage, right click on it and unlink the audio layer. By default you have to select the girl footage and search for brightness and contrast in the effect browser. Drag the brightness and contrast effect into the effect control panel. In the effect browser, search for lumatic looks. In that, we have to select overall saturation and apply it for 5 times. Here is the result you can see right now. At last, finally you are going to apply one effect that makes your video look even good. Achieved cinematic look. For that we have used only simple 3 effects: brightness and contrast, lumatic overall saturation and sharpen. Let's render and see the final result now. In render settings we have to select H.264 format. Check the video settings. It is in 1280p into 720p and select the output name in which location we are going to save. Now export the sequence and see the final result. Here is the final result of our video. We have achieved a very interesting and beautiful cinematic look. If you liked our video, please like, comment and subscribe our video.